Hyundai Palisade recall. Child fatality triggers urgent safety fix. A tragic accident involving a 2-year-old child has forced Hyundai to halt sales of its 2026 Palisade Limited and calligraphy models in the US and Canada. The issue centers on a dangerous flaw in the SUV's power-folding second and third-row seats, which can crush occupants or objects if activated while obstructed. The fatal incident and immediate response on March 7th. A young girl in Ohio was fatally injured when the power-folding function of the second-row seats was activated while she was present. Hyundai has expressed condolences to the family, but the incident prompted an immediate stop-sale order for affected vehicles. The company urges owners to refrain from using the power seat functions if anyone or anything is in the second or third row, and to avoid pressing the seatback button when entering or exiting the rear compartment. Recall details and interim fixes. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, has now launched a formal recall campaign, impacting 61,093 Palisades, including both standard and hybrid models. A permanent repair is still under development, but Hyundai will roll out a temporary software update by the end of March to improve the system's safety behavior. Owner notifications will begin in mid-May, with affected vehicle identification numbers, VINs, already searchable in NHTSA records. The core problem: why this matters. The flaw highlights a critical safety oversight in powered seating systems. These systems, designed for convenience, can become deadly when obstructed. While seemingly rare, such incidents demonstrate the need for robust sensor integration and fail-safes. The industry trend toward increasingly complex vehicle features means such flaws are becoming more common, and recalls are increasingly frequent. Hyundai plans to deploy an over-the-air update to refine the system's operating safeguards. The recall itself will cover over 68,500 vehicles across North America, 60,515 in the US, and 7,967 in Canada, with rental vehicles offered to concerned owners until a permanent fix is available. This incident underscores the importance of rigorous safety testing and redundant systems in modern vehicles, says automotive safety analyst Mark Stevens. Manufacturers must prioritize occupant protection above all else, even if it means delaying feature releases. The recall serves as a stark reminder of the potential dangers hidden within vehicle technology. Hyundai's swift response and commitment to a full fix are essential to restoring customer trust.